So at ASH there was an update on the CC220 MMO1 trial. Dr. Loniel presented the data from cohort D, in which more than 100 patients were treated with IBER at the recommended phase 2 dose with dexamethasone. In this cohort, IBER plus Dex was effective with an overall response rate of approximately 30%. And these patients were all very heavily pretreated. So most of these patients were triple class refractory, so refractory to PIs, IMiDs, and CD38 antibodies. And still, although they were also all exposed to pomalidomide and lenalidomide, IBER plus Dex was effective with a 30% response rate. Safety profile was very good. We saw hematologic toxicity, but apart from hematologic toxicity, non-hematologic toxicity was relatively infrequent and mostly grade 1 or grade 2. So I think that iberdomide, next generation IMiD, the first CELMoD, is showing activity in such a heavily pretreated population. Dr. Loniel also reported data from cohort I, that is patients that were not only exposed to len, pom, bortezomib, carfilzomib, and CD38 antibodies, but also to a BCMA targeting agent, that a similar response rate with IBER-DEX was achieved in this population that was even more heavily pretreated. So overall, I think IBER is a promising drug for heavily pretreated patients, but probably because of its very good tolerability profile, it's also an effective drug for earlier stages of the disease. So in the iberdomide program, iberdomide is now evaluated in newly diagnosed patients as a novel maintenance drug post-transplant, because it's more effective than len and also pom, but its tolerability profile also looks much better. So probably for the patients that need a maintenance for a long time, iberdomide is probably a very good and interesting option that is so currently evaluated in the EMN, European Myeloma Network 26 study. And also a study is on its way in which IBER will be combined with other agents, daratumumab or bortezomib, and will be compared to standards of care in early stages of the disease.